Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to take an agate slab and turn it into a coaster, just like this. Now this is an amazing, high-end, super special looking craft, and when it's all done, it looks like you bought it in the store. So I'm going to teach you how to make one right now. For this project you will need gold metallic paint, 5-inch or larger agate slices, a paintbrush, paper towels, baby wipes, and self-adhesive clear rubber feet, 6 millimeters in diameter, also known as bumpons. First thing I'm going to do is choose my agate slice. Now I was able to find these on Amazon, and I love these ones with the crystals, so I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to be using a metallic paint. It is a bright metallic paint. It's by Deco Art. What I like about this paint is, although it's got sparkles in it and is very bright and gold, it isn't a paint that I need to use anything special to clean up. I can use just water to clean up, which is what I want in this case. I'm just going to be painting the edge here. So I'm using a small brush, and I'm just going to be painting all the way around the edge. Now, quick little thing here. If I go like this, sideways like that, you can see how I get a little paint on there. If I do, this is not a panic situation, just use a little baby wipe and clean it off. But you're going to find, I think, personally, if you use a small brush and you use little strokes, little tiny strokes, instead of big, long swatch strokes, I think you're going to find that it covers nicely and gives you a nice, even texture and covering. And you won't get too much on the agate. So we're going to go all the way around the outer edge. Now when you get to the point where you're almost done, you can come back and you can clean this edge. What I like to do is at least have a place where I can hold. So then I can come back and just give it a nice cleaning. So once that's done, I'm going to let this dry really, really, really good. And I'm going to let it dry for a good, 10, 15 minutes. Now the thing about it is, because this is on the side of the slice that has kind of rough here, because this is rough, it actually absorbs pretty quickly. And you shouldn't need to let it dry for more than like 10 minutes. That should be about right. So I'm going to finish it up here. Here we go. I'm going to just check and make sure it's clean, that I don't have any paint on the actual surface, which is good. And I'm just going to set it down and let it dry. At this point, I'm going to clean my brush and move on to the next step once this is dry. Once it's dry, you'll notice it looks like this. It's nice and even. The only thing that I have to do to turn this into a coaster is add some feet. So I'm going to choose my bottom. I'm going to actually use this one as my top because you can see the crystals. Flip this over, choose my bottom, and I'm just going to add some little feet. Now these little bumpins, as they're called, and we have a little link down below as to where you can get them, but they have a sticky back. So all you have to do is peel them off and place them around the coaster. And that'll keep it from sliding on your table, and it'll also keep any scratches from happening on your table. And there you have it, your very beautiful, very simple agate slab coaster. Now, I can see making 4 or 5 of these, maybe even 6 of them, putting them into a little set. They would make an amazing housewarming gift or just a great present. For more fun ideas like this that are actually very, very useful, come check us out at Sophie-World.com.